Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Future Tech 01. Today I am going to show you a very interesting project based on Arduino. In this project we will build military base radar detector system using an Arduino Uno servo motors and ultrasonic sensors. This project is a simple simulation of a radar system. It helps us understand how real radar systems work in defense and security applications. First, let's understand the main part of this project. We are using an Arduino Uno as the brain of the systems. It controls all the components and processes the data. Next we have an ultrasonic sensor. This sensor is used to detect objects in front of it, sends ultrasonic wave and measure the distance of any object by receiving the reflected waves. Then we use a servo motor. The servo motor helps the ultrasonic sensor to rotate from left to right. Because of this movement, the system can scan a wide area just like a real radar. Now, how does this system work? The servo motors rotate the ultrasonic sensors in different angles. At each angle, the ultrasonic sensors check if there is any object in front of it. If any object is detected, the Arduino calculates the distance and position of this object. After that, the data can be shown on scan or radar style display on a computer. This gives us live scanning effect just like a military radar system. This project is very useful for learning. It helps the understand Arduino programming, sensor working and real-time data processing. It is also a great project for school, college and electronics hobbies experiments. In real life, radar systems are used in airports, defense systems, ships and weather monitoring. They help detect objects like airports, ships and even weather changes. But today we are making a small and simple version it using basic component. I hope you like this project idea. You want to can also provide the complete circuit diagram and Arduino code for this project. Don't forget the like, share and subscribe to my channel Future Tech 01 for amazing videos and tech projects. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.